Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to send VBS file via Messenger. So guys, in order for you to do this, first is you have to do this on a third party application. So guys, to do that, I recommend going to download Drive. So it will be available on the Google Play Store and App Store, guys. So here on the Google Drive, you just have to simply send your VBS file. So select plus icon over here on the right side of the screen and select upload. And from here, you must have the VBS into your phone and just simply upload it on the drive. And now, once you have uploaded, it will look something like this. And you can just simply select the three dots of the file on the right side. And here, you will have an option manage access. Tap on that. And from here, make sure to select change here on the restricted and select restricted and select anyone with the link. And now to copy the link, you will have an option at the top right corner, the link icon. So go ahead and tap on that on the top right corner. And now once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and go to one of your friend. So now here, once you open up the messenger, you can just simply go ahead and go to your friend. And to your friend, you can just simply go ahead and paste the link. And when they tap on the link, they should be able to download it like this one over here, and they will have the download button at the top over here. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.